kind of hiding in the corner. And then
We're on the 8th.
that would be the 7th floor, but there
Is
doorway.
no study.
There's a doorway behind us.
Yeah, but I couldn't open it.
We can't open it.
I tried. Oh. Oh, we can. Oh, dear. Oh, my. It's not really anything, but, you know.
Oh. Well, there's something.
I mean, yeah.
Nothing important.
I gotta get a picture of this really quick. Like half of it's sinking down in. What in the world were these? Oh, hey, there's a thingy bob. Salt, something, backwash, numbers. Huh. Now we're back on the first floor. I wonder if this is bathrooms.
It kind of looks like it might have been a bathroom with the tiling. Oh yeah, here's the toilet. There's a shower, a couple showers there.
Oh,
Yeah. Bench.
well. Look at, they painted the light red, white, and blue.
Very patriotic of them.
I know. I need to get a picture of that. Well, we don't want to find out we missed it later.
You're only gonna know if it's listed as if you're wearing back doors. He takes a picture of it.
I mean, it's not really much, but... Oh, look how big ground that is. There's a door to go back over that way. Found some shoes. Anybody need shoes?
There's a bag of Doritos in there.
Ooh.
No.
Dang, I am hungry too.
Lion.
Huh?
It's an empty bag of Doritos.
Dang it. Car. You just walked right out. I don't think they saw you because they didn't back up.
Looks like there's a fire in here. Possibly.
There was a bed. Katie, if you're watching this, we found you a doorknob, but we're not getting it for you. That's weird.
I'm pretty sure you did see me
Huh?
in the car that drove by.
You're pretty sure he did?
Did not.
Back by the destruction. That was a desk there.